Okay. As I just forgot to record the class. Okay, I'm just gonna use the trial and error method in order to factor this trinomial. If 6 can be factored as 3 and 2. P squared can be factored, thank you, as a P and P. That's it. Okay, let's factor the constant term. Okay, the 6, the number. Okay, how can we factor it, guys? 6.
2 times 3.
2 times 3, 6 times 1, okay, 2 and 3. Okay, let's take a look with 2 and 3. Let's see if this is going to work, okay? But I need to check this answer, guys, because this is just a possibility. I'm not even sure about it. Okay, let's try to check this. You have 2 and you multiply 3. What are you going to get? 2 times 3?
6.
6p. Okay, the other one. 2 times 3. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6p. Using these numbers, can you get 13, guys? Negative 13?
Never.
6?
No.
12, negative 6, and negative 6, negative 12, but it is not negative 12. Okay, these guys, 2 and 3 is not helping. Okay, let's erase 2 and 3, no. Okay, but we can say
3 times 2.
3 times 2.
Okay, we can reverse the order. Okay, we can say 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2. And let's see if we can simplify this, if we can get the middle term we are looking for. Okay, let's check it out. 3 times 3, guys. 3 times
9.
9. Okay, 9. The other one, 2p times
4.
2 times 2, 4. Okay, using 9 and 4, can I get 13, guys?
Yes.
How?
Negative 9.
Adding
Negative.
them. Adding them.
No, or in one subtracted. Okay, guys, take a look. This is a little bit crazy. Why? Okay, negative 9 plus 4
It's subtraction.
is subtracting both of them, guys. It's subtracting both of them, okay?
It's negative and negative.
Yeah, someone told me that. Sorry, okay, negative. But take a look. We are trying it and we're making errors. This is the method, okay? Negative and negative. Take a look. Negative 9p and negative 4. If you don't believe me, guys, get your calculator and let's do it. Negative 9 and negative 4 is equals to negative 13. I don't know if you get to see that. Okay, it's negative 13. Okay, this is the method that I'm looking for. Okay, negative and negative. Let's put negative here and negative here. Guys, check something out, please. This one, this. Negative 3 times negative 2. Is it positive 6, guys? Negative 2.
No.
Check it. Negative 3 times negative 2. Again.
Oh, yes.
Negative 2.
Sure.
Take a look. Positive 6. Take a look, guys, that all my numbers are working, okay? All of this is working, guys. And this is my final answer, okay? This is how I factor that. Okay, I know that I have gone you out steps, but I just want to make sure, guys, that you understand this. Because if you handle this, you're going to need this the next year in 9th grade. If you handle this, guys, the next year is going to be a piece of cake for you. It's going to be a walk in the park. Before going, someone told me you have to use the trial and error method. Okay, perfect. But before doing that, guys, there is something different, weird, or that you get to see. Just look at this. There is something different. Aside of that,
They are too negative.
you nail it. Okay, we have a negative here. This is the first example, guys, that we have a negative at the beginning, guys. I haven't solved any exercise with the leading coefficient as a negative number. Okay, guys, that's another problem. Oh my gosh. Okay, but don't worry, we have a solution. We're gonna solve it. Okay, let's try to work with that. Okay, this negative, guys, is pissing me off. Take a look what I'm gonna do. Okay, take a look. Please pay close attention. Okay, I'm gonna say equals. Okay, I'm going to put this negative as a common factor here, as a common factor. And now, guys, I'm gonna put parentheses. Do you remember when we learned how to subtract polynomials? When we have a negative, we change their part. Okay, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to copy exactly what I have. X squared, 15x, and 14. I just copy all my terms. This for x without the sign. Guys, if I take one negative out of the parentheses, what I have to do with these signs? I have to?
Positive.
I have
Change it.
Okay, I have to change it. This is negative, now is gonna be positive. This is negative, now must be
Positive.
positive. Excellent. Thank you. Positive. This is negative, now it's going to be
Positive.
positive. That's it. I just take the negative 1 as a common factor. I pulled it out. Okay, if you don't believe me, check it. Negative. This is a 1, right? Negative 1 times 4, negative 4. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. Okay, that's the key, guys. Now, this is normal for you guys? Okay, that is, something that you're familiar with. Okay, excellent. Okay, I copied this negative. Now, guys, it's time to factor this, okay? We're going to use the trial and error. Okay, we're going to factor this by using the trial and error. Okay, excellent. Let's try to factor the first one, guys. 4. How can you factor 4?
2 times 2.
Times 2, 4, 1. Okay, but let's
4 times 1.
okay, let's go with 4. 2 and 2. X and X. Okay, now let's factor the third term. 14. How can you factor 2 times 7, 7 times 2? Okay, let's see if this is going to work. Okay, 7 times 2. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get a middle term. Okay, let's check it out. This times this and this times this. Okay, it's 2 times 7 here. 7 times 2, guys. 7 times
14.
14x. The other one, 2 times 2.
4.
2 times 2, 4. Using these two numbers, guys, is it possible for me to get 15?
No.
No, we can.
No, guys. But what about if I change the order, guys? It's going to be the same, right?
Yes.
Because I have 2 here. Okay, I have 2. Okay, what did I do? Okay, I have 2 and 2 here. If I change the order, it's going to be the same. What should I change, guys?
The
Okay, the 2 and 2 is not helping. Okay, what should I change? Instead of 2 and 2, guys, take
the numbers.
2, it doesn't work. Okay, I need to factor 4 in a different way. What is the way that I should factor it?
4 and 1.
1, okay, 1 and 4 is the same. Okay, I'm gonna say 4x times 1x. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, and again, I'm gonna put 2 and 7, right? Again, I'm gonna try with 2 and 7, okay, because that's the only way that I can factor that. 2 and 7. Guys, using these numbers, this new way, can I get negative 15? Okay, let's see. 2 times 1,
2.
2. The other one, 4, 7 times 4, guys.
28.
28. Oh my gosh. 28 and 2, guys. Is it possible to get negative 15?
No.
15? No, right? No, guys. Okay, 2 and 7, no, guys. What another option do I have?
But if you change
14 times 1.
the position, Mr. of 7 and 2.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, this is what we're gonna. What I did, 2 and 7. Right now, I'm gonna say 7.
And 2.
I just changed it. Tell me. Yep. Okay, I think he was having problem with the internet connection. Okay, if you get back. Okay, 7 and 2. I did it with 2 and 7 and it didn't work. Now 7 and 2. Let's see, guys. What I'm gonna get here? 7 times 1, guys.
7.
7.
4 times 2.
8.
8.
Times 2 is 8. Okay, guys. Using 7 and 8.
Negative.
If
We're
No,
going to
yes.
we're going to put the negative the 2. Negative 7 and negative 8.
if you
No, we don't need it.
you get 15 but negative, is this negative? Sorry, because I said negative, it was my mistake, but it's positive. This is the one that I need to factor.
Plus times plus.
Both of them must be positive. Okay, I sorry, Elisa, I know that it was my mistake, I confused you, but it's positive because this is my new expression. Okay, this was over. This is my new expression. It's positive 7 and positive 8. Put the calculator, you're gonna get positive 15. Okay, both of them must be positive and positive. And guys, let me tell you that I have already gotten the answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Minus, take a look that I put a minus and I solve it. This is how we factor it. We want to take a look if we can use the 3 methods that we already know. Okay, the greatest common factor, 1, 1, and 6. Do they have something in common different than 1? Of course, no, right? Okay, what about W is here, W is here, but W is not here. We don't include it. Okay, guys, it looks like, okay, let's cancel this out. Okay, we rule this out. What about the big X method? Can I use it, guys? What is the condition that you have in order to use the big X method?
That the first is 1.
The leading coefficient, the first one, the quadratic term must be 1. In this case, I don't have number, that means that is 1, guys. Okay, finally, I can use the big X method again. I know you were expecting to, to solve one like this. Okay, let's try to do the big X method, okay? Big X method. Here you put A times C. Here you put B. Okay, let's see it, guys. What is A times C? This is A, B, C. Okay, if you don't remember, I'm going to put it. A, B, C. The numbers, right? Not the verbal, just numbers. Okay, A, B, C. What is A? 1 times negative 6. 1 times negative 6, guys?
-6.
Negative 6. Okay, that's the first one. B, what is B? A,
-1.
B, C. B is this number, negative 1. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, two numbers, guys, that you multiply and you get 6.
3 times 2.
3 times 2.
Excellent. 3 times 2. But with these numbers, I need to get negative 1. The sign of.
You put the 2 negative.
Okay, let's put that to negative and the other positive. Let's see. Let's put it. Positive 3 minus 2. Okay, positive 3 minus 2. What do you get, guys?
1.
Positive. But I'm looking for.
A negative.
Negative.
Okay, which is the sign? Okay, that is not the sign, guys.
-3.
Negative 3. Okay, let's see. Negative 3 and positive.
+2.
Okay, let's see it. If you don't believe me, negative 3 plus 2. Okay, negative 3 plus 2. What is that equals to?
-1.
Negative 1. Okay, these are my answers, guys. Okay, this is how we factor that. Okay, the answer is going to be parentheses, parentheses, the same, two parentheses, binomials. How do you factor W squared, guys? Okay, you say,
W and W.
W and W.
and now you have to copy this, negative 3, okay, negative 3, and the other one,
-2.
positive 2. And tick it in, we did it. That's it, guys.